Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Devika Chopra. I'm an obstetrician and gynecologist practicing in South Mumbai at my own clinic, that is Hope Clinic, Bhatia Hospital, Elizabeth Hospital, Wockhardt Hospital and SRCC Hospital. So many a times patients come to me and they're really tired of taking the other hormonal products to boost their fertility. These hormonal products sometimes they face a lot of issues, certain issues such as weight gain, hair loss, mood swings, and of course these hormonal medications can be a little costly. So many patients out there are looking for more natural methods to boost their fertility. So let's talk about them. So our nature, we are blessed with many natural products and that can boost our fertility in many ways. So one such product is called Shatavari. Now Shatavari is the queen of herbs. For us gynecologists, we use Shatavari in all phases of the menstrual cycle. Shatavari can be used to improve ovulation. It can be used to improve menstrual cycle. In lactating women, Shatavari is used to cause lactation. So I have actually given some of my postpartum patients Shatavari to improve their breast milk production. So Shatavari is actually a boon to us, to all our gynecologists, and I use this in my day-to-day practice, and I actually tell my patients that if they are finding certain side effects with other hormonal medications, they can try Shatavari in their day-to-day life and it will really help their ovulation as well as their menstrual problems. The other natural remedy that I tell my patients to try is Shivalingi. Now, Shivalingi is not really well known, but certain ancient books say that Shivalingi can really help in fallopian tube blockages. The fallopian tubes, once they constrict, you cannot get pregnant naturally. But certain texts have shown that that medication can help open up the tubes. They can also help endometrial diseases. Endometrium is where the baby gets implanted. So certain endometrial disorders such as endometriosis or patients having endometrial failure, this herb can really boost and help endometrial health. So I think even Shivalingi is a very good natural remedy that can be incorporated in your day-to-day life. And lastly, there's another herb called Jivanthi, which can really help other reproductive failures, certain menstrual problems, certain vaginal infections, reproductive organ infections. So all these herbs, if they are combined together, I know many times patients tell me, doctor, there are tablets that have got 60, 70 ingredients. How will that help us? But there's this new technology called nanotechnology, which helps improve the surface area to volume ratio of all these products. So when a medication uses nanotechnology, even a smallest quantity of the ingredient will help boost the function of that ingredient. So I advise all you people out there to do a little bit more reading to see the benefits of these natural remedies in your day-to-day life as well as in your reproductive health. And do give them a try and see how they will boost your reproductive health. Of course, nothing is miraculous, nothing occurs within 1 to 2 cycles. You need to have them and take it consistently for 3 to 6 months under the advice of your doctor. Obviously, this all should be done under medical guidance. And I'm telling you, this will really boost your fertility. This is all from me today. I hope this has answered most of your questions related to infertility. Thank you very much.